Hey Disney friends, thanks so much for joining us. We wanted to do something a little different in this video and share with you what we think is the best moderate resort in Disney World.
Hey, that's right. So we have stayed at Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter a few times now and wanted to share why we really enjoy it in this video. Disney World breaks up their resorts into 3 different categories. There's value, moderate, and deluxe. The 4 moderate resorts include Caribbean Beach, Coronado Springs, Port Orleans French Quarter, and Port Orleans Riverside. Having checked out all 4, we definitely think the French Quarter is our favorite moderate resort.
Yes, we do. And most of the moderate resorts at Disney range somewhere between the mid 200s up to $500 a night, depending on the season, of course. But why a moderate resort over a value resort?
Definitely a good question. They have a few more amenities, like more than just a food court, which is what you will find at value resorts. Moderates also have sit-down table restaurants, so you can have more food options. And also, unlike value resorts, the moderate resorts have a slide or 2 at their main pool area, so definitely more fun for the kiddos and of course for us adults who like pool slides.
But what makes this resort unique or stand out from the others? Well, a few things. For one, the theming at French Quarter is so cool. As you walk through the streets surrounded by trees and you see the gas lamps and the iron balconies, you are immediately transported to the historic French Quarter of New Orleans. It's just a beautiful setting, and you're surrounded by Mardi Gras characters located around this property. And Disney just does it well.
Yeah, no, that's a good point, Sonia. And also, too, one thing to call out is this is probably one of the more smaller, or actually the smallest, of the moderates, making it very easy to get around the resort. You can also take a stroll along the Sassagoula River, which leads directly to the Riverside Resort. Another huge plus for the French Quarter is the ferry boat ride, which is one of my favorites, that takes you to Disney Springs. It's about a 20-minute ride of relaxation and just a fun experience. From the sign posted on the resort, the boats run between 10 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. However, always check the times as they do vary.
As you walk around exploring the French Quarter, you might even see horse carriage rides. These cost about $60 for about a 25-minute ride, and it can seat up to 4 adults. Reservations can be made on the My Disney Experience app, or you can walk to Riverside Resort to get tickets. Just another neat thing to see while you're here at this property.
And as mentioned earlier, the Doubloon Lagoon has a 51-foot slide that is a sea serpent. I think it's an underrated pool in Disney and one of our favorites. It definitely gives relaxing vibes as the resort isn't really ever that crowded.
No, never really is. And the pool bar here, named the Mardi Grogs Pool Bar, it serves one of the best hurricanes that we've ever had. And y'all, they aren't shy with the rum. We recommend you give one a try the next time you are lounging by this pool.
Yeah, I'm still thinking about those hurricanes. They were definitely fantastic.
Definitely. So we are enjoying some hurricanes, which are appropriate because we are at Port Orleans French Quarter. This is one of our favorite places to stay here in Walt Disney World. It is small and quaint. It's just fun. And so we really love it. The drinks, the hurricanes that we get are, it's like $15, but it's well worth it.
$15, $20 for a souvenir cup, but who needs a souvenir cup, right? These are good enough.
I know, and that seems kind of high for the drinks, but they're really good. They're made well, so we just enjoying the pool. And you have to do that, guys, when you come to the parks. It's a go, go, go. You're trying to do as many rides as you can. So take a break and have a pool day. It's like our favorite thing.
Probably one of the bigger perks at staying at the French Quarter is easily, hands down, Mickey Beignets at Scat Cats. These things are made to order and are worth the trip over here even if you're not staying at this property. So just a quick tip for you guys. You can take a ferry from Disney Springs to the French Quarter, maybe sit down, have a hurricane, eat some beignets, and just check out the resort before you head back to Disney Springs.
They even make boozy beignets, but we all agree that the classic powdered sugar is definitely where it's at. Get them to go so you can shake the bag and coat them with more powdered sugar. You're welcome. I'm even going to go out and say that I think this is my #1 Disney World snack.
Ooh, Mickey Beignets. I can see your point there. So one thing you have to do at the French Quarter, gotta get the beignets. Even if you're not staying here, guys, make a trip. Mickey Beignets are where it's at. And they're made to order, so they're like piping hot when you get them.
Steaming hot and delicious.
Delicious.
It's okay, I'll still burn my mouth.
There you go. Speaking of Scat Cats, Scat Cats also has a lounge where we enjoyed a cocktail while listening to some live jazz music, and we highly recommend it. I ordered the Sazerac, which is a whiskey-based cocktail similar to like an old-fashioned, and Sonia had an Abita lager. The vibe at Scat Cats is very chill, and we really enjoyed the evening. And y'all know we had to get more beignets, so we ordered the Mickey-shaped beignets with the sauce trio.
There's far too many of you crying. Brother, brother, brother. There's far too many of you dying.
Sassagoula Floatworks and Food Factory is the food court that's located here at the French Quarter. And we were fairly impressed with the food options they had here. I think it was a little bit better quality than just a food court. The grilled chicken sandwich had such a good flavor and the chicken was not dry. And then we really enjoyed the chicken tenders as well. And for dinner, we wanted to come back to try their jambalaya, which is what they're known for. And that was fairly tasty as well. They also have some fun seasonal desserts that we always have to try when we're here. Again, I think this is a nice perk because you're close to the food court, the main pool, the gift shop, the front lobby from anywhere you stay at this resort because of its smaller size.
Yeah, and with the French Quarter as well, they have 2 bus stops located out front and just directly in front of the hotel lobby. So if you're thinking about moderate resorts and slightly bigger properties, having 2 at one location, it's a lot easier to navigate. Bus stop A goes to Animal Kingdom and Epcot, and all other sites within Disney World property, while bus stop B is designated for Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. We'll tell you guys, it does get pretty crowded, especially for Magic Kingdom, so plan to get there early or you will have to wait for the next bus or 2. And like all Disney resorts, there is a gift shop and an arcade right within walking distance from the hotel lobby. Now let's check out the room. So room 2116. We just got here, it's 9 a.m. We were thinking our room wouldn't be ready. As soon as we walked up, cast member greeted us, told us they checked us in, but said our room might not be ready. Well, lo and behold, about 10 seconds later, he goes, "Your room's ready." So here's a preview of the French Quarter. Got some Disney magic already happening. Some beads. Mickey at the corner of the bed. Anything you guys want to say about the room?
As soon as we walked to the resort, I was like, oh, I feel at home here. It just feels comfortable. They've got so much storage and stuff here. You know, everything from those drawers. There's the fridge.
That's right, it does have a fridge. It's a bigger room than Pop Century from where we just came from.
It is, and you've got a little sitting area here, which you can put your luggage or whatever. But even the bathroom area is much bigger than Pop Century. You have 2 sinks here.
Oh yeah, definitely way more
much
space.
bigger. Yeah, much more space. Look, it has the Princess and the Frog. It's just a really cute little shower curtain.
Yeah, Tiana theme.
But again, the shower is very comfortable, very clean, has plenty of room. Of course, your H2O products. You know.
Benefit with moderate resorts too is you do get some products, like at Pop Century we didn't have any lotion. We brought lotion with us, but it's always a plus to have extra lotion.
Extra pillows and blankets,
Yeah.
ironing board as usual. You
And
get a
this-
safe too here.
Oh yeah, you do have a say. I guess we didn't have one at Pop Century, right?
No, I guess.
I don't remember
No, we
seeing
did.
one.
We did.
Oh, we did.
Okay.
So something new.
Oh yeah.
All right, yeah, we'll have to play with that.
You're starting the magic.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited to introduce you to
We'll
our
figure that out soon
experience.
enough. But again, we love the theming, the decor, Louisiana style, old school, plantation style. Just of course French Quarter, walking the streets. Here's a view from our window.
Look at the things that you can do.
It's the garden view. Directly behind us is the pool, and then to the left, you head down the hallway. You can get to the boat to go to Disney Springs.
All right, y'all. So let's go back to the ferry and take a boat ride to Disney Springs. We highly recommend you do this, as this is one of the few resorts that has this amazing perk. Disney Springs has some great shopping and amazing dining experiences. It's just a fun place to check out, and you don't have to pay for entrance. Just to name a few food establishments that we recommend: the Edison, Jock Lindsay's Hangar Bar, Chef Art Smith's Homecoming, Haleo, Deluxe Burger, and our favorite in Disney Springs, Wine Bar George.
Ooh, our favorite, Wine Bar George. I'm still thinking about Saganaki on fire. If you guys like cheese and you like cheese on fire, you gotta check it out. But also when you're there, you need to check out Gideon's Bakehouse. Definitely a must-do for us when we go to Disney Springs. So put your name in a virtual queue as soon as you get there, because it can take a while before they call you to actually get back in line. We highly recommend it. You gotta try these delicious treats. They are definitely worth it.
Yes, and while you're there, get the iced coffee. Trust me. I prefer the classic. It's not as sweet, but the peanut butter one is delicious as well.
We snagged it. Again, I'm sure you've probably seen some on YouTube, but they're amazing. Well worth it. Sonia killed her coffee, so
good, guys.
Yeah.
If you're an iced coffee fan, wait in line for the classic
at Gideon's.
at Gideon's. It's good.
This is where it's at, guys. Go to Gideon's, get these half-pound cookies. I'm a chocolate chip cookie fan. I know that's basic. Doesn't look like much right now. You see some salt on there as well. When you turn it over, that's where it's at. Look at that in all its beauty. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a bite and tell you what it's like. Don't hate on me, Ian. That's a piece, Phil. Still soft. Just has a hint of salt. Delicious. It's our coffee cake cookie. This one we found to be super awesome as well. See pieces of crumble coming off. Just as big. Look at that. Look at the size of that. Half a pound of cookie. This one's delicious. Man, you can smell the cinnamon already. Awesome coffee cake. Super soft, chewy.
Good.
This one's really good too. Chocolate chips where's my heart's at, but this one's delicious too.
You know what that means? It's time!
We hope you enjoyed this video of our review of Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter.
And tell us in the comments what your favorite moderate resort is and why. If you notice, we did leave out the Fort Wilderness cabins, which are considered moderate because Wilderness Lodge is in the deluxe category. Thanks again so much for watching, friends, and we will catch you in our next video.